for vlogging on the fly. I decided I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. You seem to really like my day in the life vlogs, and I'm about to have another day in the life. I just made some breakfast. I actually made, well, it was more like a lunch because it's really cold. It's freezing cold in the mornings. I woke up extra early today for some reason. Just feeling energized and ready, which is a great way to wake up, let me say. But it was cold, so I made a hot salad, I guess. It's quinoa, kale, purple sweet potatoes, carrots, tomatoes. A few new additions to my regular diet is sesame seeds, and I have some nutritional yeast, which is like a vegan's best friend. So I'm finally on board with the nutritional yeast. Oh, and some onion and garlic, of course. What else? Oh, and I'm trying this green goddess dressing that is vegan, and it's good, but it's too salty. So I'm gonna try something else and maybe start making my own dressings now that I have this beautiful kitchen to work in. So I'm gonna get cleaned up and take you guys along on a little adventure. All right, see you in a minute. Can I see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars? You ready for some breakfast? That's for sure. Here you go, baby girl. You might be wondering, Holly, what's happening? What's going on? Thought you were Carlos. I am Carlos still, but my Hawaii dad, as we're just gonna call him that for sake of ease, but Hawaii dad is out of town and he said I could borrow the car for a couple days. He's got a few like rules, and so worth it. This is the first time I've had a car since being on the island. We're running errands today. Yahoo! Ooh. Remember that hill I said I lived on? That's a total bitch to walk up and a total bitch to walk down. Well, it's much easier to do in a car, but it's something I still am getting used to. Stop numero uno is La Bank. I will tell you that I have a mainland bank account, and then I opened up another bank account in Hawaii that I am using primarily for savings. And that is eventually going to buy me a van to live in and renovate, which hopefully is my next big adventure. I'm working very hard to make that dream come true. So, okay, gotta go make a deposit. I'll see you in a minute. Bank's closed today. So, next time. That's another thing that I just can't seem to get used to about Hawaii, is that businesses aren't open 24/7. Destination number 2 is, my ring got stuck in my hair, is Island Naturals. Haven't been here before. I've been hearing a lot about it. Everyone says, oh, you're vegan, you should totally go to Island Naturals. Apparently it's super expensive, so I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything, but I thought I would show you guys a few prices and give you an idea for how expensive food is out here. Granted, this is obviously like top tier stuff. I don't know. Let's go check it out and maybe I'll splurge. Thank you. You too. That was not that expensive compared to the other stores I shop at. So I bought some stuff. I spent 50 bucks total, 30 bucks on food, and then yes, I spent 20 bucks on a body brush. I have been developing, TMI maybe, but I've been developing a little bit of acne because of all of the sweat and my new lifestyle out here. It's just, I haven't had acne since I was like 12 years old, and I'm starting to get some bumps. And I had one of these at home and I didn't bring it, and I'm kind of regretful of that. So here I am spending 20 bucks on a new one, and it is vegan. So made out of bamboo and vegetable bristles, it says. It doesn't really explain what it is exactly, but I'm so happy to have a body brush again. Yay, no more acne. Not gonna lie, I really enjoyed it in there. They had a very nice selection, so I'll probably be back. Okay, on to errand number 3. Target! I love Target. You might wonder, Holly, why don't you shop local? Why don't you shop small business? But the thing is, I have so much Minnesota pride, and Target is from Minnesota, so whenever I see a Target, it just reminds me of home, and I just feel so comfortable inside of Targets. I love Target. I'm not gonna film because honestly, my phone is going to die before this video should end. So I need to just cut back. But I do want to take this moment to shout out my new favorite app called Wunderlist, and we use it at the farm that I work on, and he just updates like to-do lists, or he has a shopping list so we can just put things on the shopping list and he'll pick it up for us. And I know what needs to get done that week or that day or whatever, and it's amazing. So I started making lists for myself. So I'm gonna be using my phone to check my Wunderlist to see what I need to buy at Target. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Look who I found at Target. It's Meg.
What is this for?
Stop! That's my nephew's birthday card. Hey, so many wonderful things. Such a joy. And look, it's Mike and Harmon. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Next stop is this really exciting new all-vegan fast food joint right in Kailua, which is kind of like the downtown, you know, major city in the area that I live in. And I've been here one other time. I had a BLT with, it was like seaweed bacon. It was amazing. So I can't wait to try something else. Yay! Yeah, I never come into town, but every time I'm here, I'm like, I have to go to Herbivores, which obviously this is the second time, so it never happened. So I ordered a chickpea tuna nori wrap. It has chickpea tuna salad, local cucumber, daikon radish, and organic carrot in a nori roll, served with brown rice, purple sweet potato, and tahini ginger dipping sauce. Yum. Look at how pretty these are. So the other thing that I really enjoyed about this place the last time I came was they have all these cool books sitting out to educate yourself on vegan diets and different viewpoints, obviously. And they have cute little fun facts like 1 gallon of milk equals 1,000 gallons of water. So, you know, little things to encourage and inspire. I think some people might get, I don't know, rubbed the wrong way, but I think education and knowledge is power, and that's what these people are doing, and I think it's really great. What is the song? I don't know. So hot in this car. Oh, holy buckets. I ran a couple more errands, but again, my phone is going to die, and I've been struggling to keep it alive as it is, so didn't vlog the last few stops. And now I'm gonna go to the beach and chill for a little while before I have to go to work. So, oh, yep, see, 10%. Back on 10% again. It's like we never left. Okay, I will show you guys where I'm at a little bit, and then I'm off to relax. And I'll talk to you guys really soon. Peace.